Hi, boys and girls. It's our time for story. The book I will share with you today is this one, Biff's Aeroplane. What is an aeroplane? Aeroplane equals airplane equals plane. Look, Biff was holding an aeroplane and she was about to fly it. Could the airplane fly smoothly? Let's read together. Biff made an aeroplane. She put a lot of materials and tools on the table. She was very happy to do the handcraft by herself. Mom helped Biff color it. They colored the airplane with white and red paint. It looked good now. Biff wanted to fly it, so she went to the park. Mom, Chip, and Keeper were there watching. They were waiting for the airplane to fly. The airplane flew up. It flew very high. It went over the trees. Everyone on the ground was looking up to the airplane. Biff was chasing it. The airplane flew over the houses. The bird was shocked, and the airplane flew higher and further, and the children couldn't catch it. Look, Floppy was in the garden. He barked and barked. Finally, the airplane was gone. The children couldn't find it. Biff looked for the airplane. She and Dad looked in the grass. Chip was looking in the tree. Everyone helped to find it. They even looked in the junkyard. Biff looked and looked, but she couldn't find it. Biff was so upset. She loved her aeroplane so much. They went home sadly without the airplane. Biff wanted to cry. She went upstairs alone. The window was left open when they went to the park. The aeroplane was on her bed. Biff was so happy to find her aeroplane back. Biff's aeroplane. Biff made an aeroplane. Mom helped her. The aeroplane looked good. Biff wanted to fly it. She went to the park. The aeroplane flew up. It went over the trees. It went over the houses. Biff looked for the airplane. Everyone helped. Biff looked and looked. She couldn't find it. She wanted to cry. She went upstairs. The airplane was on the bed. Okay, that's so much for today's story. Now, can you answer my questions? Number 1, how did Biff feel when she got back her aeroplane? Number 2, have you ever lost something and finally find it? What did you feel? Okay, welcome to tell me about it. So, bye-bye.